Hello and welcome. We are solving PYQs of equations and arithmetical reasoning, and our theme is the pure arithmetical reasoning and abstract cases of equations. Now, this is the next problem. It says in a box there are three less white marbles than the red ones. So, we are having white marbles in the box, red marbles in the box, and five more white marbles than the green ones. And we are having green marbles in the box. If there are a total of 10 white marbles, the count of white marble is what? 10. How many marbles are there in the box? Now it is given 3 less white marble than red one. So this 10 is 3 less than the red one. So obviously number of red one should be 13 because 10 is 3 less than 13. Next, 5 more white marbles than the green ones. So this 10 is 5 more than the green. So which means green one should be 5 because 10 is 5 more than 5. Now if you are adding them, 10 plus 13 plus 5 is what? 28. So 28 is the count of total number of marbles. So total number of marbles are what? Option B, that is 28. I hope this is clear. Next question. It says a bookseller sold a number of geography textbooks at the rate of X per book. Number of books are A and the price per book is X. So total must be A into X. Suppose you bought 2 books and price of per book was rupee 10. So how you gonna count down the total money spent? So what you gonna do? Rupee 10 for one book. So for 2 book it should be 2 into 10. So rupee X for one book. So for a number of books it should be AX. Further, A plus 2 number of history textbook at the rate of X plus 2. So A plus 2 is the next count and price is X plus 2. So this is the money spent on geography books. This is the money spent on history books. Next, A minus 2 number of mathematics textbooks at the rate of X minus 2. So A minus 2 is the count and X minus 2 is the money spent on single book. So on single book money spent is X minus 2. So on A minus 2 books money spent should be A minus 2 into X minus 2. Now the next question, what is his total sale? So for total sale we need to add them. We have to add all of them. Now this becomes AX. Further, A into X, A into 2, 2 into X plus 2 into 2, that is 4. Further, plus A into X, A into minus 2, that is minus 2A. Minus 2 into X is minus 2X. And minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. So this is the total amount. If you solve this further, you will see that 2A positive, 2A negative cancelled out, 2X positive, 2X negative cancelled out. We are left out with AX 1 time, AX 2 time, AX 3 times. So it becomes 3AX. Further, 4 plus 4 is 8. So this is what? This is the final amount. So answer of this question has to be option B. I hope guys this is clear to everyone. Let's move on to the next question. Next question is this. It says if there is a policy that 1/3 of the population of a community has migrated every year from one place to some other place, what is the leftover population of that community after 6th year? Now, suppose in the beginning population is X, then in the end of next year it's gonna be X minus X by 3, that is 2 by 3X, because 1/3 of the population is being migrated every year. Now this is after 1 year. So after next year, what gonna happen? It will be like 2 3x minus 2 by 3x into 1 by 3. Every year the population is decreasing one third of the population of the previous year. So over here it was x, so we have done x minus x upon 3. After this the population was 2 by 3x, so we need to do 2 by 3x minus 2 by 3x into 1 by 3. So this is what we have to do, and this is called successive decrement. Now this is not the right way of solving it because it's gonna take a huge time in the examination. So rather than that, just understand that what is going on in the problem. So in this case, successive decrement is going on. So for every year 1 minus 1 by 3, this would be the decrement. For every year the decrement gonna be 1 minus 1 by 3. So after every year the remaining amount will be what? 2 by 3. So for net calculation of the 6 years, in make the power 6 here, make the power 6 here, you will get the answer. Because the net decrement in 1 year is 1 minus 1 upon 3. After every year the remaining fraction gonna be 2 by 3. So this is for 1 year. Then for 6 year, increase the power of this value to be 6. This is your answer. So after 6 year, the population gonna be your option D. Because 2 to the power 6 is 64 and 2 to the power 3 to the power 6 is 729. So after 6 year, the population will be this much of population will left out, or this much fraction of population will be left out. I hope guys this is clear to everybody. Let's move on to the next question. Now this question says there are 3 pillars x, y and z of different height. So let's say this is pillar number 1, pillar number x, pillar number y and pillar number z. They are of different height, so I have drawn them like this. Okay. Next question. Next statement. 3 spiders A, B, C starts climbing on these pillars simultaneously. So A, B, C have started climbing on. In one chance, A climbs 6 centimeter. In one chance, A climbs 6 centimeter but slips down 1 centimeter. Climb 6 centimeter and slips down 1 centimeter. So in every chance, her effective climb is 5 centimeter only. Similarly, the effective climb for B should be, effective climb for B should be 7 minus 3, that is 4 centimeter in every chance, and effective climb for C should be 6.5 minus 2, that is 4.5 centimeter. Why? Because C climbs on Z by 6.5 centimeter but slips down by 2 centimeter. So going up 6.5, coming down 2, so that is why the effective climb should be 6.5 minus 2. So these are the values of effective climbs. Now next information, if each of them requires 40 chance to climb the top of the pillar, then what is the height of the shortest pillar? Now be be attentive. In this question, see, try to understand. This ant A will climb this pole X or this pillar X in how many chances? In 40 chances. Now out of 40, in 39 chances he will use this effective height, but in the last chance it has, like, there is not, like, it will not use this effective height. Why? Because suppose the ant has like in the last chance, as soon as in the last chance, as soon as this ant will climb by 6 centimeter, this this ant will get hold of this top of the point. So if this ant is holding the top of the point, so there is no chance of slipping at all. So in the last chance, it will climb by 6 centimeter, but it will not slip by 1 centimeter. Why? Because as soon as it will climb by 6 centimeter, it will have the hold of this point and this ant will never slip. So that is why in 39 chances, this ant will use this effective height, but in the last chance, this ant will not use the effective height, it will move 6 centimeter. So the total height of pillar x, the total height of pillar x will comes out to be equal to, if we solve this, 40 into 5 is 200 minus 5. So 200 minus 5 is 195 plus 6 is 201. So height of first pillar will be what? 201. I hope guys this is clear. Please make a note of it. Now let's talk about height of this pillar y. So in case of pillar y, this ant will in 39 chances, this ant will use what? 4 centimeter the effective height it climbing, and in the last chance the ant will not use this effective height, the ant will utilize the total climb, or in the last chance this ant will climb by 7 centimeter. Why so? Because as soon as this ant will jump for 7 centimeter, this ant will get hold of this topmost point of pillar y. As soon as it will get the hold of this topmost point of y, it will not slip. So that is why this is the scenario here. So 39 into 4, 40 into 4, 160 minus 4, 156 plus 7 is 163. So the height of pillar y is what? It is 163. Please make a note of it. Now the final pillar. So for the final pillar, for the pillar Z, again the same scenario is gonna be there. So 39 into 4.5 plus 1 into 6.5. So 39 into 4.5, this value will be more than 163 for sure. This value will be what? More than 163. And this value is also more than 163. So obviously the shortest pillar is pillar y and its height is 163 centimeter. So answer of this question is option B. I hope guys this is clear to everybody. So this is it for the video. Thank you so much.